Greetings, pet enthusiasts. Today we're taking a look at the top 10 pets perfect for apartment living. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our pet-filled content. Now let's dive into today's topic. Starting off our list at number 10 are the adorable little hamsters. These compact creatures are a great choice for apartment dwellers due to their small size and low maintenance needs. Hamsters don't require a lot of space and their upkeep is pretty straightforward. Plus, they're incredibly kid-friendly, making them a fantastic choice for families. They're active, fun to watch, and can even help teach children about responsibility. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance pet, hamsters might just be the perfect fit. Swimming into the number 9 spot are the peaceful goldfish. Goldfish are fantastic apartment pets, not just for their mesmerizing beauty, but also for their calming effect. Watching them glide through water can be a meditative experience, soothing your mind after a long day. Plus, their tanks, whether large or small, can easily fit in any corner of your apartment, making them a practical choice too. So, if you're short on space but big on tranquility, consider a goldfish. Hopping into the number 8 spot are the cute and cuddly rabbits. These fluffy friends are not only adorable but also social and playful, making them a fantastic choice for apartment living. They do require some playtime, so be prepared for some bunny frolics. But remember, rabbits are not just for Easter, they're a long-term commitment. They need care and attention, just like any other pet. Despite their need for interaction, rabbits are social animals that can bring joy and companionship to your apartment. Flying into the number 7 spot are the chirpy and vibrant birds. Known for their lively presence, these feathered friends are ideal for apartment living. They offer a delightful melody to your mornings and a vibrant splash of color to your living space. Besides, birds are intelligent creatures, capable of forming bonds with their owners, some even able to mimic human speech. They require minimal space and their upkeep is relatively easy. Birds can bring life and interaction to your apartment, making it feel more like home. Slithering into the number 6 spot are the fascinating reptiles. These unique, cold-blooded creatures can be a captivating addition to your apartment. From bearded dragons to corn snakes, they come in all shapes and sizes. They're generally low maintenance and quiet, perfect for apartment living. But remember, they do require specific habitats to thrive. It's essential to understand their unique needs, from heat lamps to dietary requirements. If you're an enthusiast of unique pets, reptiles might just be the perfect choice for you. Purring into the number 5 spot are the independent and loving cats. These graceful creatures are a joy to have around. They're self-sufficient, requiring less attention than dogs, yet they're not devoid of affection. Their purrs and headbutts can brighten up any gloomy day. But remember, cats also love playtime. A simple laser pointer or a feather wand can keep them entertained for hours. So if you're looking for a pet that balances independence with affection, cats are your go-to. Barking into the number 4 spot are the loyal and energetic small dogs. These pint-sized pals are perfect for apartment living with their compact size and contagious zest for life. They are known for their loyalty, always ready for a cuddle or a game. However, their energy levels demand regular exercise, so daily walks or playtime are a must. Despite this, their love and companionship are unparalleled, often making every day an adventure. Small dogs have the power to brighten up your apartment, providing joy and companionship that make it feel like a true home. Squeaking into the number 3 spot are the gentle and sociable guinea pigs. These furry friends are great for apartment living. With their small size, they don't require much space, and their low noise levels ensure you won't disturb your neighbors. Guinea pigs are also known for their sociable nature. They love to interact with their human companions, making them a delightful addition to your home. Their maintenance is relatively low, requiring only a clean habitat and a balanced diet. Guinea pigs can bring joy and companionship to your apartment, making it feel more like home. Leaping into the number 2 spot are the playful and intelligent ferrets. Known for their boundless energy and curiosity, ferrets are a delightful addition to any apartment. They're smart, engaging, and love to play, bringing a spark of joy to your everyday routine. However, they do require plenty of playtime to keep them happy and healthy. Also, they can be a bit mischievous, so be prepared for unexpected surprises. The presence of ferrets in your apartment can brighten your days and add companionship, making it feel like a true home. Swimming into our top position is the vibrant and resilient betta fish. Betta fish are low maintenance and flourish in compact aquariums. Their radiant hues can morph a monotonous area into a fascinating underwater sanctuary. Betta fish are not only straightforward to maintain, but also pleasing to the eye. So, if you're in search of a fish that's effortless to cater for and visually captivating, betta fish are your top choice. These betta fish can inject a pop of color into your apartment, making it resonate with a homely vibe. And that wraps up our list of top 10 pets for apartments. We're grateful you've joined us on this journey to find the perfect pet for your apartment life. We'd love to hear your thoughts or any additional tips you might have, so feel free to drop a comment below. Remember to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our pet-filled content. Until next time, stay pawtastic.